10 profitable AI-based business ideas that actually work. If you can write, or even just edit, you can build this business. Let's start with an AI content creation agency. In simple terms, this business is about helping companies create things like blog posts, social media captions, emails, and website content using AI tools. Instead of hiring full-time writers, businesses outsource this work to you. To do this, you first choose a specific type of business, such as real estate agents or online coaches. Then you use AI tools like ChatGPT to create content drafts, polish them to match the brand, and deliver them on a monthly basis. Over time, you build a simple system where AI does most of the heavy lifting, and you focus on quality and consistency. Most people running this business charge monthly packages, usually anywhere from $300 to $1,500 per client, depending on how much content they provide. This business is profitable because every business needs content, but very few want to hire a full-time team. With AI, one person can easily manage multiple clients at the same time. Let's move to the next business idea. Imagine businesses answering customers 24/7 without hiring staff. The next business idea is creating AI chatbots for small businesses. This means you set up smart chat systems on websites or WhatsApp that automatically reply to customer questions like opening hours, services, prices, or bookings. To run this business, you collect common customer questions from the business, upload that information into a chatbot platform, connect it with AI, and test real conversations before making it live. After that, you monitor performance and update responses whenever needed. Typically, you charge a one-time setup fee and then a small monthly fee for maintenance. Many chatbot creators earn $300 to $800 upfront, followed by $50 to $200 per month. This business works well because it saves businesses time and salary costs, while you earn recurring income with very little daily effort. Let's move to the next business idea. People don't lack talent, they lack presentation. This business focuses on helping job seekers improve their resumes, cover letters, and interview skills using AI. Your role is to help people present themselves better, not to apply for jobs on their behalf. You start by collecting the client's work experience and the type of job they want. Then you use AI to rewrite their resume professionally, add the right keywords, and generate strong interview answers. Many service providers also offer mock interviews or coaching sessions. You can charge $50 to $200 per resume, or offer complete job prep packages starting from $300 or more. This business is profitable because people are willing to pay for better job opportunities, and AI allows you to deliver high-quality results quickly. Let's move to the next business idea. Video sells, but most businesses hate creating it. Here, you help businesses create professional marketing videos using AI without cameras, actors, or studios. These videos are used for ads, websites, and social media. The process is simple. You write short scripts using AI, generate videos through AI video platforms, add branding like logos and colors, and deliver ready-to-post content to clients. Most people charge $100 to $500 per video, or sell monthly video bundles, which creates consistent income. This business is profitable because video content is in constant demand, and AI makes production fast and affordable. Let's move to the next business idea. Businesses know they need social media, they just don't have time. This business involves managing social media accounts using AI tools. You help businesses stay active online without them needing to worry about posting every day. You plan a content calendar, generate captions using AI, design simple visuals, and schedule posts automatically. Everything runs on a system. Clients usually pay a monthly fee between $300 and $1,000, depending on how many platforms and posts you manage. It's profitable because once your system is set, you can handle several clients at the same time with very little extra work. Let's move to the next business idea. If you can bring customers, businesses will gladly pay you. This business is about finding potential customers for other businesses using AI and automation. Instead of selling a product, you deliver ready-to-contact leads. You choose one industry, find decision makers using online tools, and use AI to write personalized messages. Automation tools help you send and track outreach, and you pass qualified leads to your client. You can charge per lead or work on monthly retainers, often starting from $1,000 per month. This business is highly profitable because leads directly impact revenue, and businesses always invest in sales growth. Let's move to the next business idea. Create once, sell forever. This idea is about turning your AI knowledge into digital products like prompt packs, templates, or short courses. You identify a specific problem, create helpful AI prompts or guides, package them as digital products, and sell them on online platforms. Most products are sold as one-time purchases, usually priced between $10 and $100, and volume creates income over time. This is profitable because after the initial work, the product can be sold repeatedly with almost no extra effort. Let's move to the next business idea. Customer support is expensive, AI makes it cheaper. In this business, you provide AI-powered customer support services for companies. AI handles common questions, while complex issues are escalated when needed. You set up support systems, upload company information, define rules for handling customers, and regularly review conversations to maintain quality. Clients usually pay monthly retainers between $500 and $2,000. This business is profitable because it reduces costs for companies and provides you with stable, predictable income. Let's move to the next business idea. Local businesses need websites, but hate tech. This business is about creating simple, professional websites using AI website builders. You collect basic business information, generate the website using AI, customize the design, and deliver a ready-to-use site in just a few days. Most website creators charge $300 to $1,000 per website, with additional income from hosting or maintenance services. This works well because local businesses want fast, affordable solutions, and AI delivers exactly that. Let's move to the next business idea. If you save time, businesses will pay premium money. The final business is AI automation consulting. You help businesses automate repetitive tasks like emails, reporting, and data entry. You review their daily workflows, identify automation opportunities, build the systems, test everything, and train the client on how to use it. These projects are usually priced higher, commonly $1,000 to $5,000 or more per project, because they create clear time and cost savings. This business is profitable because automation delivers immediate results, and businesses happily pay for efficiency. Conclusion: AI is not replacing people, it's replacing inefficient systems. You don't need to master AI. You just need to use it to solve real problems. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment which business idea you want a full step-by-step tutorial on next.